guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Alexander. In today's video, I will teach you how to terminate Cat6 cable with RJ45. You will see exactly how to insert the cables into the RJ45 and the color coding. We'll have some of the tools and material that we'll be using for this practical. We have our Cat6 indoor cable, our RJ45 which we'll be using for the termination, and we also have our cable stripper, and I'll show you how to use this cable perfectly. And we also have our crimping tool that we use to crimp the RJ45 to the cables, and we also have our cable tester which will tell us whether our termination has gone right. Take our cable, first strip off the mark that is there already. We'll gently cut it off with our crimping tool. Then we'll take our cable stripper and go the length that we want. Normally we just do a short length because of the RJ45. We don't want the inner cable to be exposed. Just put it and cut a short length. We'll turn this around a little bit so that it doesn't cut the inner cable. Then we strip this off. We'll see how the cables have been arranged inside. They have been twisted with each other. So we have our brown, white and brown, blue, white and blue, orange, white and orange, and we have our green, white and green. This is just in between to prevent interference of noise. When we mean noise in networking, we mean interference by other waves material. So we'll cut this off gently. We make sure we don't cut other cables. We untwist each of these so that we can arrange them properly for the RJ45. You carefully untwist each of them. We have a color coding, a standard color coding that we use for the RJ45, which I'll of course tell you, and make sure we listen to this part because this is the most important part of the video. Without this color coding, our testing will go wrong. So our color coding is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. I'll go with it again. We have white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. So that is the arrangement of our color. So we'll arrange it as I've said before we insert into our RJ45. Be careful, arrange them and straighten them as I've said according to the color coding. When you miss one color, just know that our RJ45 is gone and we can't use it anymore. We cross-check our color coding very well. We will take our crimping tool, then we'll cut it and we make sure it is straight and equal of length. We'll take our RJ45, turn it upside down and insert the cables into it carefully and gently. And we press it hard a little bit so it enters very well. After it enters, we'll cross-check the color coding and see if it has aligned with whatever we have done. Then we take our crimping tool. You see this side of the crimping tool, we put the RJ45 inside, well, and we press it hard. So you hear the sound. After you hear the sound, it means it has crimped. Then we are done with one part of our cable, and we have to do the other part the same way, and after which we will test to see if it has been terminated very well. Repeat the process.
Paco. Astella. Hello. Night is young, I'm getting old. So many don't step on me toes. Many friends we done before.
This is going to prove whether the work we have done is right or wrong. And I don't know, too anxious. Let's see what we have done together. So this is our tester, and we have ports for the RJ45 and we have for RJ11 as well. But we are going to use the ports for RJ45 because we are using RJ45 for the experiment. So we kindly switch on this here. Then we'll take our cable that we've terminated, insert it to one side of the tester, and we'll take the other part, insert it into the tester. And once our cable has been terminated, we'll see that our indicator will indicate all the cables have been terminated carefully and communicate very well. So you can see our indicator moving accordingly. Let me show it to you very well. Means our cable has been terminated very well. After we are done, we make sure we pack our tools into our box. So I'm going to pack our tools.
What's my name? I'm gonna say that again.
This is how we terminate our Cat 6 cable. I hope you have understood everything that I've said here. If you don't understand anything and you want more clarification on anything, kindly put it in the comment section. Thank you.